interrupt our programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
Reporting to you guys live from Southern California. What's happening is a lot of people online are expecting radiation to come in the next 24 to 72 hours from Japan. And people are getting prepared. They're sealing up their houses. They're staying indoors. And if they're going inside, they're using protective gear. There's people right now as we speak using Geiger counters to monitor their air. In fact, the Department of Public Health in California is monitoring the radiation in the air, the water, as well as the food. So what we're seeing is this situation in Japan is unfolding at a massive rate. There's 6 nuclear reactors that are in danger of melting down. We've already had major explosions. Now, when you see that black smoke come up from those explosions, that's not steam. If it's black, it's some other particle. Those are radiation particles, and some are stronger than the other. You got alpha, beta, gamma, and what I'm being told is that the beta particles, man, they're like little tiny nuclear reactors. So right now there's a run on potassium iodide tablets on survival sites. So I talked to one site that got 50 calls this morning. So people are stocking up on this stuff to prevent the absorption of radioactive iodine into their system and their thyroids. So here's what's going on, guys. It's 5,000 miles away. I'm not saying to be an alarmist, but